All right, guys, good morning. It is day 2. Well, day 3, technically. So this is day 3 of Fiat Freakout, and I'm gonna call it day 2 because it's day 2 of video. But this is technically day 3, and here's a Carmadillo in the sunlight. Walking right by, I didn't even notice. So it looks much better in the sunlight. I'm loving it even more. Can you tell I'm getting distracted at this kind of thing? It's pretty sweet. Drives perfectly fine. I really want that car. Anyway, day 2 of events. Today is some people are gonna go to Yankees Tavern. It's kind of a cruise drive. And then there's gonna be other people that are gonna be going to the time, speed, distance event, which is the one that I'm gonna be doing. And that one is, they give you a map and they say, after this many miles, you're gonna turn this way. After this many miles, you're gonna turn that way. And so it's kind of like a navigational skill time. But there's a guy that did it. So Andy, one of the organizers here, he did the rally race there, and he did it 3 times, and he timed himself all 3 times, and he was within a couple seconds each time he did it. So our ultimate goal is to match him with his time as close as possible, and whoever gets the closest wins. And we'll find out that at the awards dinner. You never get bored of stuff like that. Anyway, the winner will be announced at the awards banquet, and we'll find out then. So I really hope I win. Andy's a good friend, so maybe he'll give me some inside tricks and tips. Doubt it, but you never know. So we're getting here lined up, got some stuff lined up in the car. I gotta go get some gas, drop off the key for the wife's car back in the hotel room. I'm gonna go grab some gas, clean it up. We gotta go back to our car washing station that we provided for everybody here, and get ready for the trial. I'm really excited for this. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to bring you along. All right, so the car's been sitting out in the parking lot all night, and it is, according to my phone, 61 degrees. So this is a true cold start, and we're gonna see how we do to make sure we're in neutral. A little cold this morning. Oh, come on. There we go. Remember, I don't have my cold air injector, you know what I'm saying? It injects fuel when it's cold. I had that unplugged because it flooded our engine last time and destroyed it. I don't trust it, I need to replace it. But if I had that, I'd be in much better shape. So now we're gonna run over to the car washing station. We've got our supplies to wash the car off. After all of our driving yesterday, a lot of bugs on the window, stuff like that. Gonna get that all cleaned up. And then we'll get some gas, and we'll line up for the time, speed, distance rally. So here we go.
And I need to think what to do.
Just
Maybe,
say, I think I'm getting hungry.
no.
He looks hungry now. So.
Yeah.
Hungry, so yeah.
Let's take
All right, so we have made it to a gas station where all the cars for this rally today are filled up. Everybody's topping off their tanks. I did the same. But we're having to do a rally on this style map. Now this is called a tulip style map, and this is our only guide to get to the finish line, is following these instructions. Now most people, you know, were smart and brought a partner to read the instructions for them, but I didn't. So we read it as the partial distance. When we start out, we're gonna go straight at 45 miles an hour. Then after 7.5 miles, we're gonna turn left and maintain the speed of 45. Then after that, we're gonna go 1.69 miles, but there's gonna be a bunch of gas stations, and continue straight. And then once we go past there, there'll be a 0.2 mile of the left bend. It looks like some churches, and we're gonna pick it up to 50. And it's just like this, over and over and over, all the way, both sides, until we get to the end, our end destination, which will be where the restaurant, bar and grill is. So this is going to be interesting on my own, because I'm going to have to, you know, figure it out on my own. So, I mean, he's even got his dog as his co-pilot. He was much more prepared than I was. At least he can read. Anyway, we're getting ready for this rally. We're gonna give it about another 10 minutes and then we're gonna start going out in 60-second intervals. I'm not gonna really record because I'm trying to focus on this and I don't wanna drive and video and read instructions and miss turns and all that stuff. But the ultimate goal is to match the time of the person that made this. So Andy made this, and whatever his end time goal is, we have to match that as well as possible. So if he did it in 45 minutes and 10 seconds, that's our goal, but we just don't know what that time is. So we'll find out on Saturday. But I'm gonna walk around, talk to some people as we get ready for this, grab a drink for the road, and we will get ready. But like I said, I'm not gonna be able to record a whole lot just because I'm trying to focus on this and getting there. But I'll try and get you guys as much footage as possible, but hopefully we'll make it. And worst case, if we get lost, we just type in the address that's on the back and GPS it there and take the L and move on. But it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's awesome to see a lot of old cars out here and hang out with a bunch of cool Fiat people. So let's get set up, grab a drink, and then we can hit the road. Well, we have made it to Yankees Tavern on the way far north side of Houston, and the rally was an absolute blast. I really wish I could have showed you guys some more backroads picture, but it was awesome going through the Sam Houston National Forest, and it was absolutely beautiful. But all of these cars here are just even more amazing. So we're gonna walk around, take a look, grab a burger, hang out, chat. We could look at these cars all day.
And the water tower.
See, so we've got a real big trash talker here talking about beating
look
me.
You made the first wrong turn, my friend.
Hey, yeah, but I ended up still got here first. Still got here first.
Well, no, that's true. That water tower is the one that got us.
Yeah.
We stopped. We pulled over. We're way out of the way.
This is what victory feels like.
Was wrong.
This is what victory feels like. Alright guys, so we just got back from our long, it was like a 200-mile round trip drive all the way up to Yankees Bar and Grill. where we had lunch and talked with everybody. It was an absolutely fantastic time, and we took all the back roads all the way back, and it was awesome. All the hills, the trees, everything, and we have made it back to the resort. And this is the end basically of day 2. Tonight we're gonna have like a little pool party, and we're gonna watch.
Don't believe a thing this guy says. He doesn't know what he's talking about. He's full of it, full of it, full of it. You know what I'm saying?
This is what happens at Freakout.
This is it. This is what happens at Freakout.
I was just saying how great of a day it was, and
Today's
how we're
a fantastic, spectacular day.
and how we're gonna have our pool party tonight. And yeah,
Where's there a pool party?
we're gonna go watch Ford versus Ferrari tonight
Oh yeah,
at the
it's not
pool.
a pool party.
Well, it's a kind of a pool party. They have
All right.
like a cabana club
All right.
thing next to
I'm
it.
not wearing my bikini, so don't be
Oh,
looking.
please don't.
Spectacular day.
Great day.
All right.
Because I went and did the TSD event.
I did as well.
And how did you do?
I don't know, but I'm.
How do you think you did?
Well, let's put it this way: the directions were okay, but the odometer readings that he provided us were not completely accurate. At
Yeah,
first
they
I thought
weren't.
my odometer was off, but it turns out that his readings were off. So we took one wrong loop, put about an extra 4 miles on our run, but then we just put the pedal to the metal the rest of the
To
way,
try
try
and
to make
catch
up
up.
some time.
Yeah, because I had the same thing. I had 4 wrong turns, but I did not. Were you by yourself?
No, I
Okay,
had a
see,
navigator.
I did not have a navigator, so
I
I
had
was
a
by
navigator
myself. Yeah,
because
must
I'm
be nice.
smart like that,
Yeah,
not like
not
this
me.
guy.
Mine had to
What a
work,
knucklehead.
okay?
Yeah.
But it was a really good time. Yeah, I think I had 4 wrong turns on the rally, and then but I was like one of the last people to show up, so I don't know if that's a good thing or not, or if everybody just said forget it and we're just gonna go straight there. I don't know.
No, I think everybody had a successful day. There were a couple breakdowns, but they got themselves back up and running.
Yeah, I
so-
saw that. I came across them and they were like waving me off like they already had it figured
I had
out.
dropped off a bunch of tools to them when we were passing by. Just threw my bag out and said, "Here you go.
Take
See
it.
you later."
Be successful.
Yeah.
But anyway, you can see other people are out here in the parking lot working on their cars in the distance under the canopies and things, and we're gonna hang out here until the movie starts and then grab some dinner and have an awesome night. And this puts an end to day 3.
And I got a cooler full of beer and ice.
Oh, this guy's winning at life right here.
There
But
you
that
go.
puts an end to day 2 for us. This is technically day 3, but day 2 for us, where the events are bigger and badder here. So we're gonna end up for today on this. Nothing really to see at the pool party, hanging out, social hour, a bunch of shenanigans just like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And until next time, we'll see you.